So this is our normal chat. Okay. Iska next level is what? The next level is something called as generative AI. Generative AI क्या है? It will generate things for you. Images हो सकता है, all of that. So that is what is called as a generative AI. Okay, so the normal one is your normal chat. Okay, the next one is generative AI. उसका next version is agentic AI. So here it will, अगर आप Copilot में देखेंगे, it asked you for certain questions, right? And it waited for the prompt. Okay, ये देखिए. So what is it? It is saying, okay, here are the key insights from the recruitment sheet in your Excel file. Total candidates, so many current stage distribution, whatever applied to screening rejected. The pipeline is fairly balanced, etc. Okay, hiring by role. ये पूरा डेटा आपको आ गया.
Okay.
Okay?
We can also ask this to share it in the table format.
Yes, your table format, put it
In the
in
table
chart
summary.
format, table summary, put it in bullet points, जो भी आपको चाहिए, all of that is something that can be done.
Oh.
It'll say, can you make this in a Word document? Okay. तो पूरा करके Word document में ready करके, you will be able to download it, and then of course you can go ahead and design it accordingly. जो भी थोड़ा आपको करना है. ये आ गया फाइल. क्या आई कैन क्लिक ऑन इट. इट इज डाउनलोडिंग. ये हो गया डाउनलोड. इसको क्लिक करेंगे. पूरा रिपोर्ट रेडी. सो
ओके,
दिस इज
उसने
अनदर
टेबल
वन.
भी
सो
बना
दिस,
दिया.
हाँ उसने टेबल भी बना दिया. उसको और थोड़ा आप ये करोगे, सो इट विल आल्सो डू दैट. यू कैन से मे बी मेक गिव मी अ डोनट चार्ट. हाउ आर वी ऑन टाइम? ओके, एक कैन यू create a donut chart for candidate sources. So I'm saying please create a chart. Okay, yeah, different thing that can also be done. Okay, so this is how, and this the process is going to be the same अगर आप Gemini use कर रहे हो या फिर Claude use करोगे या फिर Perplexity use करेंगे, कौन सा भी AI में the workaround is going to be around the same. You upload the file and then ask it questions. ठीक है. Got it. अगर आप इसी को PPT भी बनाना चाहते हो, you can say please put this into a PPT and then give me. Yeah. Wonderful.